Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great. Myself Salman and welcome back to the Grammar Academy. Guys, have you ever heard people speaking like I play football, I played football, I shall play football, etc. and this kind of things? Well, what they exactly want to make us understand? So guys, today we are going to learn a very crucial yet very interesting topic, and this topic is all about tense. Trust me guys, tense is very easy to learn. All you have to do, just listen to me very carefully and with your full attention, because this lesson is going to help you for your entire life. This lesson is going to be very useful for you in the sense that it will help you to score decent marks in your exams. It will help you to have a good command over the language. It will help you to express yourself in a fruitful way, and it will simultaneously help you to understand the other people what they exactly want to make you understand. So if you are ready, then without much delay, let's start. So guys, a tense may be defined as that form of a verb which indicates the time and the state of an action. I repeat, a tense may be defined as that form of the verb which indicates the time and the state of an action. Well, in this manner, the verb may refer to these three things: time of an action, state of an action, and time frame of a tense. Let's check out a bit of details about these three things. Well, the first one is time of an action. Time here refers to the present time, past time, and the future time of an action. For example, I go to school. This is a present time of an action because the verb here is in present form. The second one is I went to school. This is a past time of an action because the main verb here is in past form. And the third one is I shall go to school. This is a future time of an action because the main verb here is in future form. From these three sentences, it is clear that we have three main tenses, and those are present tense, past tense, and future tense. If you imagine tense as a tree, it has three main branches: present tense, past tense, and future tense. The next point is state of an action. State here refers to the function of tenses. The function of one tense makes it different from the other. For example, I play football regularly. This is a habitual function because I do it regularly. Hence, we can call it a present indefinite tense or simple present tense. The next example is I am playing football. This is the progressive function because the work is still in progress. Hence, we can call it a present continuous tense. The third example is I have just played football. This is a preceding function because the work has just been done, and the fact that the work has just been done makes it perfect. Hence, we can call it present perfect tense. The fourth example is I have been playing football for some time. This is expressing a time. The work has been started before some time and the work is still in progress. The fact that the work has been started before some time makes it perfect, and the fact that the work is still in progress makes it continuous. Hence, we can call it a present perfect continuous tense. The third one is time frame of a tense. We have these three time frames, and in order to get a complete structure of tenses, we should know briefly all of them. So the first one is point of time. Point of time is that time which denotes any specific or proper time. For example, in 2019, on Monday, on Saturday, etc. The second one is period of time. Period of time is that time which denotes a specific duration of time. For example, from 2010 to 2019, from Monday to Sunday, from Monday to Saturday, from Thursday to Sunday, etc. The third one is expression of time. Expression of time denotes the combination of both point and period of time. For example, summer 2019, winter 2019, summer 2018, etc. So guys, these were all the basics about tense that you need to know. And this is not the end. I'll be back with a new video where we shall be discussing about 3 main tenses in detail. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe the Grammar Academy channel and join the Grammar Academy family and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new lesson is updated. So guys, this is Salman signing off today. We'll be back very soon. Till then, have a good time. Help the needy people as much as possible. Happy learning, guys.